So that is that installed and the connections put in place. Wow, what a cool fit. That is really, really interesting how it goes together like that. Okay, so now we are at the point where we will be installing the docking of the air inlet pipe number 2. So that is this long one here. The final stage. So let's put this correctly. Here again, you see the accelerator pedal, which is that. We see that it's all connected up. And now the next part is that I need to charge this, and that is the charge port. The switch here is, the bottom one here is apparently for the sound. Just put it this way. This is for the sound. And then the switch above, the toggle switch, is really designed to turn the unit on or off. So let me charge this and then we'll give this a shot. Okay, I should point out a couple of things. So there is a switch at the bottom here. What that switch actually does is turn on the sound, okay? So you can actually hear a distinct sound. So when you pull this lever, it represents the gas pedal that one would press, and if I rotate, again you see it. Now you notice that it is skipping a little bit. I tried to adjust this, I couldn't quite get it to work, but it is pretty cool. And if I switch off the little button, it goes into quiet mode again, and again a little bit skipping, but give it gas and it works. So it's kind of a lovely little project, a lot of fun to make. You can see closely in here there are some moving parts as well, which is pretty darn cool. So you can actually see the pistons going up and down. If you look closely in there, you can see the cams moving. So it is a fabulous little project that you can work with for yourself or with your kids or your grandchildren. Really, really cool little project. Very, very fun to do. And it is a bit of a learning experience as well. I know I learned a lot myself as I was doing this, and I thought that was sort of cool. Obviously, it is not gas powered because it is designed for indoors. This is the charging port that you can use. It is, again, a lot of fun. To turn it off, you put it in the middle. Simple as that. A lot of fun.